I am so proud of you, boys and girls. You have learned the first 26 phonograms. Just like there are 26 letters in the alphabet, you have learned the first 26 phonograms, and we are going to go over all of them together right now. This is called an oral phonogram review. I'm going to say the phonogram and it sounds first, and then you're going to repeat it. A says a, you say a. C says k, s, you say k, s. D says d, you say d. F says f, you say f. You can watch my lips and my mouth and you'll see how I form those sounds with my mouth. G says g, j. You say g, j. O says o, oo. You say o, oo. S says s, z. You say s, z. Q says qua. You say qua. B says b. You say b. E says e. You say e. H says h. You say h. I says I. You say I. I say j. You say j. Sometimes I'll say the letter name, and sometimes I will say I say, you say. I could have said J says j. You say j. I say k. You say k. This is a K. L says ol. You say ol. M says you say N says n. You say n. P says p. You say p. R says You say T says t. You say t. U says you, You say you, V says v. You say v. W says w. You say w. X says x. You say x. Y says y, I. You say y, I. Z says z. You say z. We did it! Boys and girls, that was amazing! You need to give yourselves a round of applause for being awesome. You know your first 26 phonograms. We get to keep learning more, but you have got the beginnings of reading. We know that all letters make sounds, and we know that words are made of letters, and when we put them together in a special order, they create words. And then the words work together to make sentences. You guys are learning so much about reading. I am so proud of you. Thanks, everyone.